Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. I got this really cool Walmart beauty box today. This was like a special one that you can order, and it was like $15, so I was like, why not? And this is the BeautySpace NK at Walmart beauty box. Let's see what's inside. Apparently Walmart does specialty boxes all the time, because when I ordered this, I apparently ordered another one. And I don't remember ordering it. So this is the inside. First is this waterproof mascara from ICO London. Next up is this Philip B avocado and peppermint shampoo. Next is this tiny little sample of this hyaluronic hydra powder from BeautySpace. I've never heard of BeautySpace before. Next up is this Grow Gorgeous Volume Serum. I'm so excited for this. This sounds amazing. BeautySpace NK Jasmine and Rose Hand Wash. Babe Lash Essential Serum. Patchology Get Dewy With It Sheet Mask. And then this cute little BeautySpace NK makeup bag. So I think this little box was worth it. It was pretty cool. Like, this is a full-size lash serum, and I'm really excited to try this leave-in volume bodifying serum, because my hair is lacking in that department. So yeah, I'm excited to try some of these brands. I've never tried some of them before. I've only tried Patchology. So let me know if you've tried any of these products before. I'll have them all linked down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase them. You probably won't be able to purchase this. I think this was like a limited edition thing, but yeah, I'm excited to try everything. Let me know what you think of the BeautySpace NK box that Walmart did. I would love to know your thoughts on it. I think it was kind of worth it. I just love these boxes, especially Walmart. It's my favorite one, I think. I love Ipsy, but Walmart has never failed me. It's my longest one that I've had. So let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.